Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: free space, backups, and a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Run disk cleanup as administrator to remove temporary files and system cache. This immediately reclaims space. Once done, make sure to include system files and Windows Update cleanup. You should also close active applications and pause Cloud Sync to avoid file locks. These first actions clear easy targets while protecting your system, and they prepare you for deeper removal without causing data loss. Once basic cleanup finishes, run a disk analyzer like WinDirstat or built-in storage to find which folders consume the most space and why. You should uninstall unused programs from settings, sorting by size to prioritize the biggest removals. Also, clean browser caches and delete large installer files from your Downloads folder. When removing apps or folders, think about dependencies and user data so you do not break configurations. These steps target the main culprits and reduce fragmentation, improving both free space and performance. To finish, run check disk to repair file system issues and then optimize the drive. Defragment for HDDs or run trim via optimized drives for SSDs to restore performance. Move big media files to external storage or adjust default save locations to preserve space. If you still lack space, inspect restore points, disable hibernation to remove hyperfill, and scan for malware that creates junk files. If removal causes problems, use your restore point. Otherwise, bring back specific files from backup and repeat target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.